So the acting general secretary at the JFF and the former Reggae Boys team manager, Roy Simpson, wake up some serious ants nest. Obviously smitten by the disastrous flop in that World Cup qualifying group, with his first-hand experience and intimate knowledge of most, if not all, of the 6 failed World Cup qualifying attempts since 1998, Mr. Simpson suggested that Jamaica reignite belief in local born and bred players, and that we have become too dependent on the failed strategy of recruiting and over-recruiting England-born players. He pointed out that Jamaica's most successful Reggae Boys teams, the 1998 team that qualified for the World Cup, the 2017 and 2019 Gold Cup teams that went to the final and semi-final respectively, all those teams consisted of vast majority local born and bred players. No question. Where is the lie that Mr. Simpson is telling? Where is the lie? I don't see the lie. You see the lie. Where is the lie? Where is the lie? Where is the lie?